Okay, let's talk about that problem of the day. Be sure to answer the questions I ask out loud and think about how your work is the same or different from what we talk about together. So, how could we represent this problem of the day? Go ahead and say it out loud. Yeah, there's a lot of different ways that you might have said to do it. One way that could make sense is a tape diagram, right? We've got two parts here, 24 kilogram, 300 grams for the mako shark, 114 kilograms, 929 grams for the nurse shark. And we are trying to combine those parts to find the total, right? The total combined mass of the sharks. That's what we're being asked to figure out in this problem. All right, so why do you think it would be important to put labels like kilograms and grams, or I put kg and g? Why is it important to put those after the measurement numbers in our representation? Say it out loud. Right. We've got different units in this problem, and we need to know which measurement goes with which unit. So when we're solving story problems with measurement, we need to ask ourselves what units are in this problem so that we can know what the measurements actually represent. 24 kilograms would be very different than 24 grams. Okay, so how would we solve this problem? Say it out loud. Yeah, we just need to add the weight of the mako and the nurse shark. And how would it make sense to set that up and why? Say it out loud. Yeah, we're going to set it up so we're adding the kilograms to the kilograms and the grams to the grams. So why do we need to do this? Why do we have to make sure we're adding kilograms to kilograms and grams to grams? Say it out loud. Yeah, it really only makes sense to add numbers that are the same units. When we're working with mixed units, which are measurements that are formed of more than one unit, like in this case, we have to make sure that we're adding or subtracting units that are the same. Okay, so let's go ahead and do our addition here. 1,229 grams, and on the kilogram side, 138 kilograms. So, should I stop here? Why or why not? Go ahead and say it out loud. Oh, right. There's some regrouping I can do, isn't there? We know that 1,000 grams equals 1 kilogram. So how can I regroup in my 1,229 grams? Say it out loud. Right. I can partition that into two parts. 1,000 grams and 229 grams. This 1,000 grams, I can regroup that as 1 kilogram. So, what's my final answer? Say it out loud. Yes, 139 kilograms, 229 grams. That's the combined mass of the two sharks. All right, so what do we need to ask ourselves in order to figure out if we actually do need to regroup today? Say it out loud. Yeah, we can ask ourselves, do I have enough small units to regroup to a larger unit, right? We had enough grams that we could regroup and make a kilogram. And we can use our ratios to help us. Okay, read this key point with me. Go ahead. Do I have enough of a small unit to regroup to a larger unit? Keep that in mind as you work today, and let's move on to our try one more.